Welcome to Aubrey Action Dikova Tanganeza. Now we are with another banger. Who do the Papa to tell me? Yeah. Woo! We are about to reach 100 subscribers. Yo. I'm so happy, guys. Yo. I'm back with my boss from my Kasi. The names in the Cadillacs. Featuring PS Bomb and Mas P. Tracker Ifere Chishika Makoleni. Yeah. These are my boys from the Kasi. So we're neighbors, so yeah, Mutikawaya VIP, so I have to jump on their song. And if for example, with the other combos video, whenever combo, I just come to the task with you. Take it, let's just come according. So I want to hear or but when I get to come according to Aldova.
TBM Pro, Matichu for life.
Alright, must be a bubble. No, need to sky heaven and dealing or mini. Yo, Kadi. Kaniyo boshap shap ndoli gampesu chiko sika heaven mara uche oima zimbabumba nanas bororo
Ufika niyo boshap ndoli gampesu tutu sika mara uche oima zipacho za watu kanana don't wait for so
yo Kadi Kaniyo boshap shap ndoli gampesu chiko sika heaven mara uche oima
Kaniyo ndoli gampesu tutu sika heaven mara uche oima evana vasho
Yesu chiko sika heaven mara uche oima zimubobumba nanas bororosi goro ya Eliya sango wana yoima kodo braba mushe landa chera madembe na yesa tadulu umbizori wa madembe. See God made you, guess what? I made God. Tata I will make it or die tryna be rap. Richi shika magore Richi shika magore. God must be frustrated, this tanga viraru. Wate yoditi mara madura mara. God must be frustrated, this tanga viraru. Wate yoditi mara madura.
God must be frustrated ngesithanga ziraru. So ndi Cadillacs ndi Bombo na Mas P. Wala wara vese wathoma ndi Cadillacs. Ufi mudzima ngava frustrated ngesithanga ziraru. Wari ndo dzidzima ndo mararu.
Ndikotoda utanganedzwa nga Yesu namarema gadalina nga mrao ape ndichisvika dova namaneto so to relax marumbini ya Abraham. Vele sharp, God must be frustrated from the sins that we created. Wako drop out scale ngasizipesese ndala ida slow story beto faster ragwada mara rabela labuya laje uri mrina vakone urifarela uchira chote narinere tamela.
God must be frustrated.
Richard Thane totamela backup yari Lazarus of Avua. Ramaduva mararu.
God must be frustrated. Makungundi bibiri noriza terekedzanga nantoma kadaliza narichezwa madzanga na bloka bedji nantoma ka WhatsApp nichisika happy.
Ufini bloke bedji kana bedji ni wagai. Kazo ufini bloke bedji yangu jina makoli.
Makungundi bibiri noriza terekedzanga nantoma kadaliza narichezwa madzanga na bloka bedji nantoma ka WhatsApp nichisika happy ndidori nive shop.
Okay.
Auna panlo ndi juru yorodane Jelly brand albane risko
Auna pano ni juru yorodane. Yeah.
Nantoma ka WhatsApp nichisika happy ndidori nive shop.
Auna panlo ndi juru yorodane Jelly brand albane risko tane Rido jena do pasari
Jelly brand ndi Albani riskotane. Ti Jelly brand nes diva God Jelly brand and what so yeah.
Jelly brand albane risko tane Rido jena do pasari chisenga yobo otambula marazino odigeda.
God must be frustrated when this kanga ziraru. Bade yo dizi marama duba mararu. God must be frustrated when this kanga ziraru. Bade yo dizi marama duba mararu. Yeah, sika magore, sika magore, sika magore, Richie sika magore, sika magore, sika magore. Shout out to Mateo Luka with Jacobo. Ndisangu chivizo chote cha Bairu. Na cha Befesa.
Rapera Rainbow 3 minutes 15 seconds. Yeah, ndi Kadilas officer Bomo na Mas P waimba verse Toma ndi Kadilas wa chorus ndi Bomo kana wa huku ndi Bomo and then habana Mas P khala ngwe verse yakati nano do ambe zo ndikuziyamba zo film deliberate what this is just a vibe. We're not talking about the pina like studio, just having fun and seeing everything that I can sing because Choshpinga most initially have fun in studio near it as the heat is out in Amanda. So yeah, I love the track. Just the fact that they beat it up for us to download the but hey man, what can we say about that? Depends. I hate talented beat, so I'm gonna give the track like 7.5 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. I loved it, and no as a punchy nyana, like there's some punches and everything. So yeah, I loved this trio. It's like the it's a combi was different, it's not what we used to because we have to love songs and this and that, so I love this kind of tracks because those different so yeah, that's it for Kadilas, FT, PS Bomber and Mas P track if richishika makoleni vana vakhomba just kurodela zvibiyotile atangana nepa correction dawo and thank you very much usikisa 100 subscribers ndazozolika 99 izvo ndichikuita video but yeah mando ngasvika singonjina 100 thank you very much. Mwah.